Imagine a future where reliability meets absolute luxury, where adventure doesn't mean compromise, and where one vehicle can replace your home, your hotel, and even your resort. This is not just a motorhome. This is Toyota's ultimate vision of luxury travel. A massive, next-generation Toyota luxury motorhome designed to dominate highways, deserts, and long-distance journeys, while offering comfort that rivals five-star resorts. And from the moment you see it approaching, the presence alone tells you this is something different, because the exterior design is bold, wide, and commanding, finished in a premium metallic pearl white or graphite gray body with subtle chrome detailing, featuring a large illuminated Toyota emblem centered proudly on the front grille, flanked by sharp modern LED headlights with realistic reflections, a panoramic curved windshield stretching wide to give the driver an unmatched view of the road, and a long, extended body that feels more like a luxury tour bus than an RV, riding on 6 to 8 heavy-duty alloy wheels inspired by Toyota Land Cruiser toughness, built for stability, strength, and endurance, with aerodynamic side panels, large tinted panoramic windows, hidden storage compartments, and smooth flowing lines that emphasize length and scale, while the rear section subtly extends outward to create extra interior space. And as the camera slowly moves around the vehicle, you realize this motorhome isn't just about size, it's about intelligent design. Because integrated roof solar panels power onboard systems, retractable awnings extend automatically, and smart suspension adapts whether you're cruising on highways or navigating rough desert terrain. And stepping inside through the wide automatic doors feels like entering a luxury apartment, where the main lounge opens up into a spacious, beautifully designed living area with soft beige and brown leather sofas arranged in a wraparound layout, a floating wooden floor with warm ambient lighting beneath, floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light, and a massive central entertainment wall featuring a hidden ultra-large smart screen, premium surround sound speakers, and elegant wooden panels inspired by Japanese minimal luxury, while the ceiling features skylights that allow daylight to pour in during the day and soft star-like lighting at night. And as you move further inside, the motorhome reveals one of its most shocking features, a fully integrated indoor swimming pool with transparent glass walls, compact yet luxurious, designed for relaxation while parked at scenic locations, paired with a retractable roof panel above it that opens to the sky, giving you the feeling of swimming outdoors even when you're inside. And right next to the pool area is a compact private gym equipped with foldable treadmills, resistance machines, mirrored walls, and smart fitness screens, allowing travelers to maintain a healthy lifestyle, even on long journeys. And this level of luxury continues into the kitchen and dining area, where a modern open-concept kitchen features marble countertops, premium cabinetry, induction cooking, hidden appliances, and a dining table that seats 6 comfortably, making it perfect for family trips or luxury travel experiences, while smart storage solutions are hidden throughout to maximize space without clutter. And moving toward the rear of the motorhome, the bedroom area feels like a private hotel suite, featuring a king-size bed with premium bedding, soft leather headboards, warm ambient lighting, panoramic side windows, and soundproof insulation that ensures peaceful sleep regardless of where you're parked. And adjacent to the bedroom is a luxury bathroom that rivals high-end hotel bathrooms, complete with a rainfall shower, premium fixtures, modern vanity, large mirror with smart lighting, and high-quality materials throughout, proving that Toyota didn't cut corners anywhere in this design. And heading toward the front again, the driver cabin is where Toyota's engineering excellence truly shines, featuring a futuristic yet realistic cockpit with a large digital instrument cluster, heads-up display, multiple touchscreens for navigation and vehicle control, premium leather seats with heating and ventilation, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with the Toyota emblem, and an expansive windshield that makes driving this massive motorhome feel confident and controlled. powered by a next-generation hybrid or turbo diesel engine inspired by Toyota's heavy-duty platforms, delivering immense torque, smooth acceleration, and legendary reliability, designed for hundreds of thousands of kilometers, making it perfect for long-distance touring across continents. And when it comes to price, a luxury motorhome of this caliber wouldn't be cheap, with an estimated price range between $800,000 to $1.2 million, depending on customization. But for those who value freedom, comfort, and reliability in one unstoppable package, this Toyota luxury motorhome represents more than just a vehicle. It represents a lifestyle. The freedom to travel without limits, to live comfortably anywhere in the world, and to experience luxury without sacrificing durability. And as the camera pulls away with the motorhome driving into the horizon under golden sunlight, one thing becomes clear. This isn't just the future of motorhomes. This is Toyota redefining what luxury travel truly means.